All right, let's talk about the message block that you can add to your order pages using the app. All right, and here's an example of the message block, and it's using the three elements that we have, which is a heading, some text, and a link. Now, if we go into checkout customization, here you can see I've got the message block, and it's added up here. Just like you do in theme customization, you can add blocks in checkout customization. You click down here to add block, and you'll see the message block. I've already added it right here, so let's just click on that one. You can see where you can put in a banner title, you can put in the message, and then you can put in a link label, a link URL, and then you have some control over some of the layout of this element. So the first control that we have is, the link position. Is it above or below the content? I'm just going to keep it below. The button type, is it a button or is it a link? You can see the difference between those. The alignment, left, center, or right. And then the selected configuration is to customize this and only have it show for certain customers, which I'll show you in another store here in a moment. But that's all there is to setting this up. And just like in theme customization, this element inside of checkout customization can be moved up and down so you can affect the placement of it. You can even put it into the header or footer if you want to, and have it show up across all the different pages that use that header and that footer. There's the header there. So let's look at this in another store. And what this says is welcome ECA member, with no clicks or anything like that. We're just acknowledging that this customer is an ECA member in this store, which not all customers are. So this one we actually set up some personalization. So here you can see in the selected configuration, we've selected configuration number 1. Now where that is managed is inside of the app here. If we go to the widgets and then go to configure conditions for the message block, you can see I have a configuration set up, and you can add multiple configurations. You can have more than one if-then logic for more than one message in your store. Now you'll notice this one here has the logic of if customer tags does not contain ECM member, it's going to hide that block. So if we go back a step here to the customer profile that I was logged in with, you can see I'm tagged ECA member. Now, if I remove that tag and save it, once the servers catch up with me, if I go back out to the front end, this message should go away. And the servers have caught up with us. So this message is only showing for people that are tagged ECA member, and right now I'm not tagged that. So you can use the message block to deliver a message to multiple or all of your customers, or deliver a message to a subset of your customers based on a tag. And you can have more than one message in your experiences, and you can move them up and down and control the placement of them. Thanks for watching.